Hey there. So if you have LG C3 and it's not turning on, the one thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issue. So the first thing is that you're going to have try to power on from the front panel under button under LED. So where you're going to have it, from the front you're going to have power button, and you just want to press and hold it. And this is something that you can also like try. See, it's right here. And you want to press it. So this is the first thing that you can try. If this is not going to work out, then also what you can do is just like unplug it completely and then wait for a few minutes and then plug it back in, or even try to different circuit. So maybe some of it helped you. If it didn't, I'm sorry. I always try to like look on the advice on how you can have like fix the issues. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.